Let's be real, the Forex market seemed like a gold mine. I'm talking about the potential to make serious cash, all from my laptop. The allure of quick riches and financial freedom was too tempting to resist. So, I dove headfirst into the world of Forex. Fueled by ambition and a touch of naivety, little did I know the journey wouldn't be as smooth sailing as the gurus claimed. Initially, I was bombarded with information overload, charts, graphs, indicators. It was a whirlwind of data that left me feeling lost and confused. The sheer volume of information available was overwhelming, and I struggled to make sense of it all. It felt like I needed a PhD in economics just to understand the basics. Determined to crack the code, I spent hours glued to my screen, devouring every piece of content I could find. I read books, watched tutorials, and even attended webinars, hoping to find the secret sauce to Forex success. But the more I learned, the more I realized how much I didn't know. It was a humbling experience, to say the least. The initial excitement I felt quickly morphed into frustration as I realized that Forex trading was no walk in the park. I had underestimated the complexity of the market and the dedication required to succeed. It was time to switch gears and find a new approach. My breakthrough came when I stumbled upon the concept of technical analysis. Instead of trying to predict the future, technical analysis focuses on identifying patterns and trends in historical price data. By studying charts and using technical indicators, traders can identify potential trading opportunities with higher probability. I started by learning the basics of candlestick patterns, support and resistance levels, and moving averages. These tools help me identify trends, entry and exit points, and potential reversals in the market. I also explored different trading strategies, such as trend following, breakout trading, and scalping. To test my newfound knowledge, I opened a demo account where I could practice trading with virtual money. This allowed me to experiment with different strategies and refine my skills without risking any real capital. I treated my demo account as if it were real money, carefully planning my trades and managing my risk. As I gained more experience, I started to see positive results. My trades became more consistent, and I was able to identify and capitalize on profitable trading opportunities. I still made mistakes, but I learned from each one and used them to improve my trading plan. Section 4. Essential tips for Forex newbies. If you're new to Forex trading, here are a few tips that I wish someone had told me when I was starting. First, start with a demo account. Practice trading with virtual money before risking any real capital. Next, focus on one currency pair. Don't try to trade everything at once. Choose one currency pair to focus on and learn its nuances. Also, keep it simple. Don't overcomplicate your trading strategy with too many indicators. Stick to the basics and master them. Manage your risk. Never risk more than you can afford to lose. Use stop-loss orders to limit your potential losses. And finally, be patient and disciplined. Forex trading is a marathon, not a sprint. Don't expect to get rich quick. Be patient, stick to your trading plan, and the profits will follow. Section 5. My week of Forex trading, a roller coaster to success. The week I decided to truly master Forex trading was a whirlwind. Armed with my newfound knowledge and a refined trading strategy, I approached the market with cautious optimism. The initial days were a roller coaster ride of emotions as I navigated the ups and downs of the market. There were moments of doubt and frustration, especially when trades didn't go as planned. But I reminded myself that losses are a part of the game and that the key is to minimize them while maximizing wins. Sticking to my trading plan and not letting emotions cloud my judgment was crucial. As the week progressed, I noticed a shift in my trading performance. My wins became more frequent and my losses smaller. I was able to identify trends more accurately, enter trades at optimal points, and exit with profits. The feeling of closing a profitable trade after careful analysis and execution was exhilarating. By the end of the week, I'd not only recovered my initial losses, but also generated a modest profit. It wasn't a life-changing sum, but it was a testament to my dedication, perseverance, and the effectiveness of the strategies I had implemented. Section 6. The journey continues, lessons learned and the road ahead. Mastering Forex trading in a week is an ambitious goal, and while I wouldn't say I've completely mastered it, the experience was invaluable. I learned that success in Forex trading requires more than just luck, or intuition. It demands a deep understanding of market mechanics, a well-defined trading strategy, and the discipline to stick to it. The journey taught me the importance of patience, risk management, and continuous learning. The Forex market is constantly evolving, and staying ahead of the curve requires constant adaptation and refinement of one's skills. My Forex trading journey is far from over. I am committed to refining my strategies, expanding my knowledge, and consistently improving my trading performance. The lessons I learned in that 1 week laid the foundation for what I believe will be a long and prosperous journey in the world of Forex trading.